Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about statistics. Let us know what we will get in the ungrouped data. We already discussed what is the definition of ungrouped data. Collection of information individually is called ungrouped data. In intervals is called as grouped data. Here in ungrouped data we will have mean, or you can say arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. And always mean or arithmetic mean is represented by x bar. We will say it as x bar. We will have mean or arithmetic mean, both are same, that is represented by x bar. Next we will have median and we will have mode, and the other one is range. If you know about these four, then you can do the problems of mean, median, mode and range of ungrouped data. Now let us know the formula of mean or arithmetic mean is sum of observations by number of observations is the formula of mean. What is the formula of mean? Sum of observations by number of observations, and this is represented by sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n, or you can say summation of xi by n. You can say. What is the sigma or summation means? That is sum of all observations. Sum of all observations or sigma xi, both are same, and by n. The statistics, always n is nothing but number of observations, we will say. And the mean or arithmetic mean formula x bar is equal to sum of observations by number of observations, that is equal to sigma xi by n. Let us go for median. In median, if the number of observations is even, we will have one formula. If the number of observation is odd, we will have one formula. Here, if the number of observations is even, then we will get two medians, and the medians are n by 2 comma n plus 2 by tooth terms. We will have two medians when even number of observations are there. Here n by 2 comma n plus 2 by tooth term. If it is odd, we will get only one observation, that is n plus 1 by tooth term we will have. And the median will have two cases. If the number of observations is even, we will get two medians, that is n by 2 comma n plus 2 by tooth terms. If odd is there, we will get n plus 1 by tooth term. To remember this one, I will tell you a shortcut here. If you are having n by 2, you take, add 1 to the numerator. What we will get here? N plus 1 by 2 we will get. And for n, I added plus 1. So n plus 1 by 2 I got. Again you add one more 1 to the numerator. What we will get here? For this plus 1, I am adding again 1. 1 plus 1, what we will get here? 2. N plus 2 by 2 we got. And this first and last will come for even, and this center one will get for odd one. See here, n by 2, n by 2, n plus 2 by 2, n plus 2 by 2 term, n plus 1 by 2 is odd, n plus 1 by 2 term is odd. In some books, you will have this n plus 2 by 2 like this also. Here, n by 2 plus 1 we will have. If you are having n by 2 plus 1 or n plus 2 by 2, both are same. Why? Because here if you are having 1, I can take it as 1 by 1. Do the cross multiplication here. 1 into n is n, plus is plus, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Here n by 2 plus 1 or n plus 2 by 2, both are same. And here what is mode means, we can say it as an observation with maximum frequency. An observation with maximum frequency. An observation with maximum frequency, or you can say most occurring value. Most occurring value is called as mode. If you are having the observations like this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 is there. These are the observations and comes under ungrouped data. Why? Because we are collecting the data individually. If we are collecting the data individually, it will comes under ungrouped data. Here, which observation is repeating more times, that we will say it as most occurring value. In this, which is the most occurring value? 1 is occurring 2 times, 2 is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 3 times. So, which is occurring more times? 3 is occurring more times. So, we will say 3 is mode. An observation with maximum frequency or most occurring value, both are same. Here, if you are having like this 1, 1, 2, 2 is there. Here we are having 4 observations. Which is occurring more times? 1 is occurring 2 times, 2 is occurring 2 times. So we will say the most occurring value is 1 and 2, both we will say. The most occurring value in 1, 1, 2, 2 is 1 and also 2. 1 is occurring 2 times, 2 is occurring 2 times. So we will say mode is 1 and 2. If you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the most occurring value? Any observation is not occurring many times. All observations are occurring only one time. At that time we will write it as no mode. Here what is range means? Difference between higher and lower observation, we will say. What is range? Here difference between higher and lower observations, we will call it as range. Here if you are having data like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 and these are the observations we are having here. Here what are the observations we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And if you want to find out the range of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, how to find out means just subtract the higher observation and lower observation. Whatever the solution we will get, that is the range of the data, you can say here. What is the higher observation here? Higher observation is 10. So 10 minus lower observation. What is the lower observation in this one? 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. This 9 is called as range of the data, you can say. This 9 is the range of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Here most occurring value is called mode and range is difference between higher and lower observations. Now let us see how to find mean, median, mode and range for 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. And here 2, 3, 2, 1, 5 is the data collected individually. So you can say this question comes under ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, mean, median, mode and range. How to find out? Let us see. For this solution, given observations are what they given? 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. Here we got the given observations. Now let us convert the given observations into ascending order or descending order. Converting the given observation into ascending order and descending order, we will call it as array. Here ascending order I am taking. Here what is the ascending order of this one? 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. This is the ascending order for the given observations. Now how to find out mean? Let us see here. Mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula? Here sum of observations by number of observations, and this we can say it as sigma xi by n. This formula we already discussed. Here, what is sum of observation means you add all the observations here. What are the observations we are having? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 by number of observations. How many observations are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 observations are there. If you are adding all the observations divided by number of observations, how many are there? If you are dividing with that one, whatever we will get, you can say it as mean, or you can say arithmetic mean also. What is the solution here? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 by 5. And divide this 13 by 5. What is the answer we will get? 5 2s are 10, and you will get point here, and you will get 3 0, 6 are 30. 2.6 is the mean of 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. You add all the observations by 5, you do sum of observations by number of observation is 13 by 5. If you are dividing this 13 by 5, you will get 2.6 is the mean of the total data. Come to next, mode. After discussing the mode and range, we will go for median here. Here, what is mode? Mode is called as an observation with maximum frequency. An observation with maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. It means which observation is occurring more times is called as mode. Here, which observation is occurring more times? 1 is occurring 1 time, 2 is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 1 time, 5 is occurring 1 time. Which is occurring more time? 2 is occurring 2 times. So 2 is called the mode of the data. 2 is called the mode of the data. Come to range. Here, what is range here? Range is equal to difference between higher and lower observation. Higher and lower observation is called range. Here, difference between higher and lower observation I am saying. It means here in this one, which is the higher observation? Higher observation in this one is 5. So 5 difference I am saying minus lower observation. In this, which is the lower observation? 1. If you are subtracting the higher observation and lower observation, whatever the result we will get, that is called as the range of the data. You can say here. Here higher observation is 5, lower observation is 1. Subtract the higher observation and lower observation. 5 minus 1 is 4. This 4 is called the range of the data 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Now let us go for median. Here median will depend upon the n. N is called here number of observation. Here how many number of observations are there? Let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of observations are there, and this 5 is odd. When n is odd, the median of the data is, when n is odd is n plus 1 by tooth term. Here we know already n value is 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. So you can say it as 5 is the number of observations. And when n is odd, formula is n plus 1 by 2. When n is even, the formula is n by 2 comma n plus 2 by tooth term. Here, if you are having n is 5, we will get 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equal to what you will get here? 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Third term you will get. Now let us check the third term in the ascending order. What is the third term in the ascending order? Not in the question. You should check in the ascending order. Check the third term in the ascending order. 1, 2, 3. Third term in the ascending order is 2. So you can say 2 is the median of the data. Here The mean of the data is 2.6, mode is 2, range is 4, median is 2. In this way, we can find out the mean, median, mode of the data when number of observations is odd. When number of observation is even, how to find out the mean, median, mode and range? Let us see here. Let us go for one more question. In the previous question, we discussed about the odd number of observations. Here, in this question, we will have even number of observations. And the question is, find mean, median, mode and range for 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 5. These are the observations given here. Now count the number of observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 6 is a even number. Here even number of observations is there. In this question, come to the previous question, we are having odd number of observations. In the previous question, we got number of observations is 5. Now, how to solve this question? Let us see here. Solution. Given observations are 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 5. And here these observations are not in the order. We have to convert it into order as ascending order or descending order. You can convert the given observations into ascending order or descending order. That is up to us. Here I will convert into ascending order. The ascending order of these observations is 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations is there. We converted the given observations into ascending order, and the ascending order is 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. We got here the given observations. Now let us find, first of all, for these observations, mean, mode and range. At last, we will find out the median. Here, while we are finding mean, mode and range, we will have the same process when even number of observations is there, odd number of observations is there. But come to the median, median will have different formula when even number of observations is there. When odd number of observations is there, we will have different formula. The procedure of the median will depend upon the number of observations. Come to mean, mode, range, we will have the same process for even number of observations and also odd number of observations. Now, first of all, we will find out mean. Mean or arithmetic mean, both are same, and it is represented by x bar, and the formula of mean is sum of observations by number of observations, and that is equal to sigma xi by n. And here x bar is nothing but here mean. Sum of observations, you add all these observations, 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are having here 6 observations. So the number of observations is 6 we will get. Now you add all the observations here. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30 by 6 we will get. And 30 by 6, the both will cancel in 6 tables. 6 ones are 6 5s are, and we got the mean is 5. And the mean of the observations of 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8 is 5 we got. Now let us go for mode. Mode is equal to an observation with maximum frequency. An observation with maximum frequency. Here mode you can call it as most occurring value also. Most occurring value or an observation with maximum frequency, both are same. In this one, which observation is occurring more times here? 2 is occurring 1 time, 4 is occurring 1 time, 5 is occurring 2 times, 6 is occurring 1 time, 8 is occurring 1 time. Means here 5 is occurring 2 times. So we can say that 5 is the mode. 5 is the mode. Why? Because 5 is occurring 2 times here. So this 5 is called as mode of the data, you can say. Now let us go for range. What is the range? Formula here, difference between higher and lower observations is called as range. Difference between higher and lower observations is called as range. Here come to the range of the data. How to find out the range of the data? Difference between higher and lower observations. What is the higher observation in this one? The higher observation is 8 here. Here higher observation, difference is nothing but minus lower observation. Here lower observation is 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. This 6 is the range of the data 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. Here range of the data is 6, you can say. Now let us go for median of the data when number of observations is even. Median of the given observations 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. Here median will depend upon the number of observations. Here number of observations is equal to number of observations n is equal to how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of observations is there, and this 6 is called as even observation. Even observation we are having. Here when n is even, what is the formula for median? And median formula when n is even is n by 2 comma n plus 2 by 2th term. This formula we already discussed. N by 2 and n plus 2 by 2th term are the medians of the data when n is even. Here what is the n value here? We got n value 6. Just you keep here in the place of n, you keep 6 here. 6 by 2 comma 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 by 2th term we will get. And here 6 by 2 is 6 by 2 only. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2. And 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 fours are. What are the terms we got here? Third and fourth terms are called medians of the data. And here third and fourth terms are the medians of the data. And we have to check this third and fourth terms in the ascending order if you are converting into ascending order. you have to check in the descending order if you are converting into descending order. Here, what is the third term in the ascending order? 1, 2, 3. Third term is 5 and the fourth term is also 5. So you can say that the median of the data is 5, 5. And remember, always this third and fourth terms, whatever we will get, you have to check in the ascending order or descending order, but you should not check in the question. You should not check in the question. If you are checking in the question, it will be wrong. Sometimes the question may be in ascending or descending order, but mostly you will not have in the order. At that time, you will get wrong. So, better to convert the given observation into ascending or descending order, then you can find out the third and fourth term of the observations. Here, what is the median we got here? Therefore, median is equal to third term and fourth term. What is the third term? 1, 2, 3. Third term is 5, comma. Fourth term is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term is also 5. So we got median is equal to 5, 5. And remember, always we will have only one median. But here we got here two medians. At that time, what to do? Do the average of the medians, whatever we got. How to do this one? Average here, sum of observations. Add both the observations by number of observations, means 1, 2. 2 number of observations is there. What is the thing we will get? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. Therefore, we got 5. And 5 is the median of the data. 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 8. In this way, we will find out the median of the data. Here you have to remember two things. Whatever the terms we will get, that you have to check in the ascending order, not in the question. And whenever you are having even number of observations, we will get two medians, and that two medians you have to do the average to make it as single median. In this way, we will find out the mean, median, mode and range of the data when number of observations is even, when number of observations is odd.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.